You will need an adventure pass. What's going on, guys? Well, I did it. I bought a GoPro Hero 7 Plus, or 7 Plus, 7. I'm using an iPhone 7 Plus right now. But anyways, yeah, I bought a iPhone 7, or I bought an iPhone 7. I bought a GoPro Hero 7. And I'm gonna try it out for vlogging for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna see how it goes. I want to see if it's true that you can use it for a vlogging camera. I want to get into vlogging, so I take all these like little trips and drives with my. I'm actually a fiber splicer, so I travel everywhere. I go from San Francisco, Sacramento. I'm down south right now, Inland Empire area. But yeah, I wanna start vlogging, so I'm gonna try to use this GoPro camera. So yeah, let me know in the description what you think once you see my video. If you think if it's a good vlogging camera, if everyone's saying the mic's better on these new Hero 7s. So yeah, I want to try it out, but I'm sure there's other people that's already posted videos on using it as a vlogging camera, but I'm actually going to use it and, you know, film different areas that I go. Like right now, I'm going to take a drive to Azusa Canyon and go check out the trucks and the mud trucks out there. They have like off-road vehicles and stuff. I know it's better on Sundays to go over there, Saturdays and Sundays. But yeah, I want to check it out and see how well this Hero 7 does. I used it a couple of nights ago when that spy rocket that everybody knows about. I don't get that, but I time-lapsed a little bit, and it does pretty good for a time-lapse video. But anyways, yeah, let me know. Comment in the section below. Let me know if it's a good vlogging camera, or should I go the route like everyone else is doing, carrying the big camera with the Rhodes mic on it. But yeah, let me know. Well, guys, let's switch to the GoPro camera and see how it does. Well, guys, I switched to the GoPro camera. So now, from this point on, we're just going to see how this camera works as a vlogging camera. Like I said, I'm going to try it out for 2 weeks. I'm just going to start filming. You know, whatever I come across, I'll show you guys. So anyways, yeah, right now I'm driving my BMW. I have 2 vehicles, but this is what I'm driving right now. And yeah, this car is not the. You gotta know how to fix these cars. These cars will cost you a lot of money if you don't know how to fix them. If you fix them yourself, it's not too bad. But back to my story. So anyways, we're gonna be driving around. I like going on little adventures, and right now I think I'm gonna head to Lytle Creek. I used to do a lot of prospecting over there, you know, for gold. Yep, I dig for gold. I'm a gold digger. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go and see how it looks up there. I'll show you guys the scenery up there. But yeah, I'm gonna go check it out, see how things are, and then I'm gonna take a trip down to Azusa Canyon. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's Los Angeles Forest. A lot of mudders go out there, which is the big lifted trucks, and they take their trucks out there and they go mudding. I might head out there maybe tomorrow, Saturday. Today's Friday the 14th, and yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll take out my Range Rover and head out there and see what's going on, you know, like see how the mudders are doing, what they're up to, watch the people get stuck. I don't do anything aggressive with my Range Rover, but I have had it stuck before out there at Azusa Canyon. But yeah, we'll just see how things go. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, check it out, guys. This is the entrance to Lytle Creek. Going up Sierra. This is Sierra Highway, or no, this is not Sierra Highway. Sierra Road. I'll put a link in the description how to get here. And yeah, pretty much this is the entrance. Look at that view. That's amazing. So if you're wondering what I'm driving around in, let me show you what I've been driving that's been getting me around. I have two vehicles, like I was saying earlier in my video, but this is what I'm driving right now. This is a 2006 BMW 325i, and has kind of a carbon fiber wrap on the top, on the hood, on the back. Not perfect, but it looks better than it did. These darker cars seem to, you know, the clear coat seems to come off of it. So then, especially on where the sun hits it the most, and that's pretty much why I carbon wrapped it. But yeah, 2006 BMW 325i. Pretty clean for a 2006. But inside is not that great. See, there's some of the clear coat coming off. That's the interior. The bell's going off. Carbon wrapped the dash, kind of like everybody else. Little things here and there, not too bad. Seats are getting weathered. But yeah, that's the car. That's the car that gets me around. I also have a 2004 Land Rover Range Rover. Expensive back in the day, but not so much anymore. But check out this view at Lytle Creek. I'm jumping from topic to topic, but I love cars. But check out this view this is Lytle Creek. Check it out. Amazing views. When it rains, see that you could see where the water flows all the way down there. There's a gun range up that way. That's all the noise you hear. But when it rains hard, this is all flooded in right there. And then of course from up there too. But this is where we come to look for gold also. There's gold here. You just got to find it. And there's old claims out here. You have to get a claim on some areas just to find the gold. So yeah. Well, let me head down to the next location. I think I'm gonna drive to Azusa Canyon to see how that is over there. Just take a couple drives today just to see what's going on in the area. Plus to test out this GoPro. But, well, the next scene will be at Azusa Canyon. Alright guys, check out this view. This is where all the off-road vehicles go mudding in the mud. I don't know what it's called. But check out this view. There's the mountains. Look at all the snow. Tons of power lines right there though. There's the car. But check out this view. Check out this view. That's where I was, that parking lot right there. Look at all the snow on that map. Nobody up here.